Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Thursday, June 11th. I almost did that again. Uh, so, what are we looking at here in the Russell? We're seeing a market with some indecision. It really implies a sideways to higher structure, but we have a lot going on. The Iranian situation apparently has calmed down. That brings some relief here to the stock market. We had CPI coming out on Wednesday, as we talked about in the advanced video, and we got PPI coming out on Thursday, which can also cause a market to really be motivated to move. And let's see if it can move to the upside. That is the bias that we have in that market. And when we think about the Canadian dollar, sideways move, people evening up as we come into more economic information, gold backing off as yields increased in interest rates. We're seeing it reflected here, but be prepared for a possible rally. Again, watch the yields to give you a clue about that. Nat gas, it's starting to firm up a little bit, but boy, I think there's a lot of room to the upside. The demand is there, and we do have the supply, but so far it's in a neutral position, a sideways market. In corn, USDA reports coming out, and we see people going neutral as we go into that report. And it could take the market either way, up or down, when you have that type of report coming out. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.